So the two major goals and objectives of the bond referendum is to increase usable educational space for elementary students and to provide outdoor recreational space for the community. The acquisition of the Good Shepherd Regional Catholic School provides us an opportunity to add over 40,000 square feet of usable educational space that we currently do not have. The bond also includes additions to one of the top elementary schools in the state of New Jersey, Zane North, with the addition of 6 classrooms with bathrooms as well as outdoor ADA accessible space. In addition to updating the outdoor spaces at both Tatem as well as Newbie with ADA accessible and inclusive playgrounds. In addition to making a significant investment in outdoor recreational space behind the middle and the high school. The importance of the community investing in the community helps to continue and to fulfill the social contract. There are those that came before us that made really wise choices and investments that the current generation is benefiting from, and it is incumbent upon us to make those same level of investments for future generations.